Hey guys, welcome back. Another do-it-yourself kit courtesy of Fun with Soap and us. We're really looking forward to this one. It's a do-it-yourself aroma candle kit.
This one we are really excited about because we've been looking at going to get some candles to make the house smell nice.
So let's take a look, see what's in it.
So pretty.
Okay, so we've got a how-to instruction manual.
We've got sticks to stir, we've got some colouring, we've got some fragrances.
Oh, we've got the wick.
The wick.
Measuring jug. These are the molds.
Ooh.
We've got 3 of these guys.
Yay.
Some stearic acid.
Woohoo. The wax.
So first things first, we're going to read the instructions.
Oh, good. We can see how to mix the colours because we're not very good at mixing colours.
So first we're going to put the wick inside.
And we're going to do a third one.
So to start, we need to melt the wax using a double boiler or a bain-marie, where you put a pot over a pot of steaming water so there's no direct heat, because if there's too much heat the wax can...
And as you can see, he's a complete expert at all of this stuff because he does it every day.
And then what happens is when the wax is melted, you add some stearic acid. Okay, 250 grams of wax, and you know how cool that is. We've still got a whole bunch left over for...
Yay, more candles!
Okay, let's go melt this. Alright, there's the wax. It's fairly melted, and it is now just over 80 degrees, and you've got to wait you got to melt it to between 80 to 90 degrees, and then turn off the heat and take it off. Alright, so we added about 27 grams of stearic acid because we had almost 270 grams of wax.
The whole packet.
Well, it's pretty much the whole packet of stearic acid. So that was melted in. It's now reached 65 degrees. Now we're going to add in our color. Right, so now, quickly to add the fragrance. Vanilla fragrance.
Are we really still going vanilla?
Yes, let's go vanilla.
Okay, put the whole thing in.
Okay, so here we go. We got one really...
Blue.
We got a bluish one, which looks great. The rest are Coca-Cola colored. But so now that's the hard part. It's done. We've got to clean up the mess. Now we've just got to wait for this to cure. And there we have it, guys. 24 hours later, we've got some candles. A little bit of a mistake with this one, but that's besides the point. They smell beautiful. They look great. Right there in our mantle. Hey, how gorgeous. So you too can make your own candles. Head over to funwithsoap.co.za and go and get your aroma candle kit today.